Hi PCA family, this is Connie Hubble. I am an English Language Arts teacher at Poudre Community Academy. This is my 8th year teaching at PCA. Matter of fact, I'm probably the teacher that's been around the longest. We have some terrific teachers. I love working there. I thought I'd just introduce myself in this kind of back to school video. I have 8 children. They're his, mine, and our children. I have 8 grandchildren with 2 on the way. I love teaching. I just do. When I am at home, I just love to lesson plan. I'm kind of a geek that way. And I love language arts. We read, write, we listen, we draw. We have all kinds of different ways that we can learn the language arts. This happens to be a film class. And we still do all those things. We still analyze films, but we write about them, we read about them, and we connect them with other things like poetry. So for this first quarter, we are learning the basics. We're learning about sound in movies and what that means and how it's made. We're learning about camera shots, camera angles. So our first movie that we're watching, we're only watching for those things. Then we will add some color and symbolism, and then we'll even get into how all of those things, the sound, the color, the camera angles, the symbolism, how all of those things work to create a theme. And that's where we're going. This first quarter, again, is just background, getting the base of what it means to be a filmmaker and the language that they use in filmmaking. And then we go on from there. Expect to watch about a movie a week or every week and a half and just have fun analyzing them. Not watching them, we analyze them. If you ever have any questions, please contact me. My email is chubble, CHUBBLE, @pstschools.org. Thank you.